Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to get Prime in CS2. While CS2 technically is a free game, it's definitely best enjoyed when you have Prime status. You may have also noticed the Prime screen when you log into CS2 for the first time. That feature is one of the main selling points of Prime in CS2, which is allowing you to only be match-made with other Prime members. This means that as you have a paid account, you can only play with other paid accounts as well, meaning anyone who cheats much less likely to be in your server. Their account will be banned, and they'll have to pay again for another Prime status for their new account. Besides that, anyone who spends their time on this game for longer than just an hour or two will find tons of rewards like items and skins, which can also be worth a little bit of money, and other features that make the game a lot better for competitive matchmaking as well. Keep in mind that you cannot be ranked in CS2 without Prime status. Yes, you can play competitive, but you cannot get a label for your rank. At the very least, it's just a one-time expense. Buying it at the Steam store seems like the only way to get it.